Hey, I'm Jimmy Dillon. Here's 5 ways to play an E chord, starting out with the position 1. There's several ways to play that one. And then if you go up to the next position, looks like this. Put your pinky on the E here, your third finger on the G sharp, and just, there you go. The next one is here. Next one is here. And then all the way up to the octave, which I often do what I call a partial. You don't have to do the full bar chord. You can, but... So let me take that in slow motion for you just so you see where I'm going, and then we'll weave it all together. So you got your E note here, your open E, your basic first position E chord. That's a pretty straightforward one. And then there's several ways to do the next one. You could do it like this. Back here, that's a stretch I never use. Instead I do this version, which if you look at it, it looks a lot like a C chord. Just move it all the way up to here. And your high strings are fretted like a D chord. Okay, so that's your second position, sorry. And then the next one is a bar chord, but you get to use that open E still. First finger on the 7th fret, or 7th fret here. And then you lay your third finger across here. It's a little bit of a bold move. Now you'll notice I'm not hitting this note. You can, but it's a difficult one. And you know, in rock and roll and blues and stuff, I rarely use that note, because you already got it up here. So I just do it like this. And if you listen to that's the way we kind of do it. There's lots of ways. Clapton doesn't like that. I think he does it with his pinky. And then the next one is the same 3 notes, but now I got my pinky up here. Okay, so slightly different. These two are the same. Just move up here. Now you got those octave B and E in there. Different sound, right? And then all the way up looks like this. Same, but an octave up. Now I want to show you what it sounds like in practice, and I'll show you how it, what kind of the vibe. Slightly different sound. See how I'm going up? I'm going to give you a bonus chord here, which is not a lot of people use, but I learned it from Dave Mason way back when. You can take that E chord that I just showed you here, move it all the way up to the octave, and use it up there. Here's why I like it. Open strings there, so that's the bonus chord, okay? So that's 5 ways to play an E chord in all 5 positions. We'll see you down the road.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll! Rock and roll! Stay awesome and rock and roll!
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.